Hi gamers, in this video let's find step-by-step guide to activate console commands in Stalker 2. Here are the steps to follow. Step 1. Download the console commands mod. You need to install a mod to access console commands, specifically the utils console commands unlocker. This mod allows you to unlock and use various cheats within the game. Download the UE tools mod from Nexus Mods. Extract the downloaded files. Copy the mod files into the game's directory. Navigate to Stalker next to content and then to packs. If a folder named mods does not exist, create it. Place the extracted mod files into the mods folder. Step 2. Open the developer console. Once the mod is installed, you can open the developer console. Press either the FF while in game. If the console does not open, ensure that the mod is correctly installed. Step 3. Using console commands. With the console open, you can input various commands to modify your gameplay experience. Here are some useful commands. Help displays a list of all available commands. Ghost enables ghost mode, allowing you to walk through walls. Fly activates flying mode. Walk disables ghost or flying mode and returns to normal walking. That's it for the video. Hope you got value from this. Thank you.